Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to check what versions of Microsoft Edge you are currently using or running. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Edge browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang tong three dot icon. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang select dito yung help and feedback, and then next makikita mo dito yung kanyang option settings, and then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung about Microsoft Edge, so i-click mo lang ito, and then automatic mga kaibigan madirect tayo dito sa about, and then automatic din yung kanyang pag-up to date yung versions. Alright, so makikita mo dito lang sa about yung Microsoft Edge yung kanyang versions na 121.0.2277.83 official build stable app beta channel 64-bit. Right? So may option setting naman dito yung kanyang preview Microsoft Edge release early. Kung gusto mo ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on ito or disable mo siya. And then ito naman mayroon din ditong download updates over my third connections. So kung gusto mo pwede mong enable or disable naman dito. Right? So ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-check ang Microsoft Edge browser versions. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.